What to do after my listing's synced, API account. This guide outlines 2 steps to follow after syncing your listings, ensuring that Yaballe has full control over your eBay listings. The first step is to revoke any third-party applications that might interfere with or alter your eBay price and quantity. Click on the link on top left in this video to open eBay third-party authorizations link. Select the applications you want to remove and click the Revoke button. The second step is to make a small change to your price-affecting parameters, such as profit or break-even, as well as update the quantity. To do this, go to your Yaballe monitor page and select all your items by clicking the checkbox at the top of your item list on the left. Select All Pages option. After that, click on the Bulk Operations button. The following pop-up window will appear. Enter a value in one of the following 3 fields. This should be the result parameter you expect to see. You don't need to change all 3. Updating just one is enough. In this example, I have chosen to edit the profit in dollars and the break-even. Any field left blank will retain its current value from the default settings. I am changing my profit in dollars from 3 to 3.01 and my break-even from 21 to 20.09. Enter your desired default quantity, even if unchanged, so the system knows the default for all items, including out-of-stock ones. Don't worry, out-of-stock status overrides this setting. It only applies to in-stock items. Click Apply. Confirm by selecting OK. In an API account, changes apply almost immediately, but if you have thousands of listings, it may take 2 to 3 monitor scans. Some items will update right away, while others may still show old values temporarily. Refresh your web page to see the changes. Confirm that the updated values appear across all items in your store. It's recommended to verify that the eBay price in Yaballe matches your eBay listing by checking 2 to 3 random items' eBay price. Clicking the eBay item ID in Yaballe will take you to your item on eBay. Confirm that the prices match exactly down to the cent. Now you are ready to work. Contact our support for more details.